Roll, roll, and here we go. Wow, look at that mark. This is so much fun. Today, we are going to make art using round, colorful clay.
First, place a piece of paper inside the box. Now, roll your clay over the paper. Which color do you want to try first? Let's paint our clay really well so the colors pop. Roll it again. Look, a colorful line appeared. When the color fades, just add more paint and roll some more. Roll and roll, it's so much fun, isn't it? Great job! If you get a little messy, just wipe your hands and keep going. Let's try light blue, it's going to look so pretty. You're making such a cool piece of art. Now for our next part, take a paper with a fish-shaped hole in it. Place it on top of your paper inside the box. Roll it again. It's fun to do this over and over, that's the secret to great art. Look at all those colorful paint lines, what could it be? 3, 2, 1. Wow! It's a fish! What a fun surprise! After the paint dries, you can even use crayons to add more details to your masterpiece. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures.